because when you're in that position of that, you do it or you die, you will find
a
way. Oh yeah, you will find a way.
Absolutely.
Honestly, I would take on the challenge of helping anyone to codify anything.
Technology should do one thing: make your relationship with your prospects and your clients better.
Technology got so easy to use over the last decade that everybody thought, oh great, I'll just turn this thing on and it's going to run my business for me. And they completely removed the human element.
If you have this idea, go sell it now. Don't get business cards. Don't build $1,000 websites. Go sell that idea now.
And hit them with knowledge. Like, actually do your research beforehand and hit them with some actual factual information. You're going to start to build a following of people who are like, tell me more. What else do you know? What else can you tell me? And once you have people coming to you for that information, you have now made yourself the authority.
Business owners say, well, I'm the idea guy. I'm going to hire a salesperson and they're the one that's going to do the sales. No, doesn't work. You have to experience it yourself. And you have to make those little micro adjustments and those pivots. You'll probably find that you'll pivot your idea pretty quick.
I keep saying where I need to have a business plan. Do I need to have a business plan? What is that? What do I do with that?
As far as a business plan, don't worry about having to write some huge manual with all these words. That's not what it is. A business plan is just knowing what your product's going to be, who you're going to sell it to, and how you're going to charge for it. How many times have we heard, oh, I didn't hear you say that. I didn't see that email. Miscommunications. I call them the 3 pillars of management. Number 1 is clear instructions.
We have Dave Kramer, the founder of All Pro Web Tools.
97% of people were saying no to you.
Because I knew out of 100, at least 1 or 2 is going to say yes. And that's all I was looking for.
Well, I really feel that small business is the core of the American economy. Amen.
Doing that type of research is, I think, equivalent to months of buyer personas and research.
It's instant.
My husband was like, I have never seen you do that before. That was actually really cool.
Oh, I love hearing about a win. That's awesome. Here's the thing. What you want to do is create an audience of people who want to hear this information. So if you're constantly putting it out, they're like, that's the person to go to for that.
Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
Welcome to Dave Talks Business. Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
But today I wanted to take you outside to see what it's like to run a successful small business in yard maintenance. Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
I'm just thinking, as a marketer, I'm thinking that's so amazing.